In a world filled with processed food, environmental toxins, and chronic stress, our body often struggles to maintain optimal health. However, nature provides powerful remedies that can detoxify, regenerate, and heal the body from within. One such remedy is the miracle drink, a potent elixir made from simple natural ingredients that works synergistically to restore vitality, boost immunity, and promote cellular repair. This powerful drink is made from a blend of turmeric, ginger, lemon, apple cider vinegar, and a warm water. Some call it a detox tonic, others call it a healing elixir, but I call it nature's miracle because of how deeply it works through your entire system. The human body has an innate ability to heal itself when given the right nutrients. This miracle drink works by alkalizing the body. Most diseases thrive in an acidic environment. This drink helps restore pH balance, boosting antioxidants. This helps fight free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, and fight inflammation. Enhancing digestion and detoxification. It supports liver function and gut health, strengthening immunity. This provides vitamins, minerals, and enzymes crucial for immune defenses. Research shows that natural compounds in these ingredients like curcumin, ginger, and citric acid have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and anti-cancer properties. Sources from NCBI, Journal of Nutrition, Harvard Health. Let's break down each ingredient and how they can transform your health from within. Number one is turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. This anti-inflammatory compound helps reduce swelling, pain, and joint stiffness. It supports liver detox, boosts brain health. They are natural antioxidant powerhouse. How does this heal your body? Let's look at what this drink does inside your body, starting with the most important system, the nervous system and brain. Turmeric fights oxidative stress, improves memory. Ginger improves blood flow to the brain. Result: better mood, reduce brain fog and clearer thinking. Immune system: lemon combined with ginger and turmeric, triple immune boost. They fight off infection, flu, and chronic inflammation. ACV strengthens gut barrier. 70% of immunity lies in your gut. Heart and circulation: ACV reduces bad cholesterol. Ginger improves blood flow. Lemon thins blood and reduces high blood pressure. They support a healthier heart. Digestive system: ginger soothes gut muscle. ACV balances gut pH. Lemon supports bile production for fat digestion. Warm water flushes waste gently. This helps with bloating, gas, constipation, and acid reflux. Liver and detox pathway: turmeric activates liver enzyme. Lemon and apple cider vinegar stimulate bile and toxin elimination. Daily use cleanses the liver and purifies blood. Skin and beauty: vitamin C in lemon builds collagen. ACV reduces acne-causing bacteria. Ginger and turmeric reduce inflammation. Eczema flare up. Results: growing clearer skin and fewer breakouts. Weight loss and fat burning. ACV combined with lemon gives appetite control. Ginger boosts metabolism. Warm water increases thermogenesis, heat production. Turmeric balances blood sugar to reduce craving. Regular use gives fewer craving, more fat burn. How to make this miracle drink? Get 1 cup of warm water, not boiling. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with the mother. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh squeeze. 1 tablespoon of ground turmeric. 1½ tablespoon of grated fresh ginger or 1½ tablespoon powder. A pinch of black pepper to activate turmeric. Optional. 1 tablespoon of honey for taste. Instruction. Mix all ingredients in a glass. Stir well and drink slowly. Preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. When and how to drink this? Best time to drink it: first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This wakes your organ and detox your body. How often can I take this? 5 to 6 days a week is ideal. Take a break on weekends. Always use warm, not boiling water. Preserve enzyme. Stir just before drinking as turmeric settles at the bottom. Use a straw to protect your teeth from acid cider vinegar acidity. Who should be cautious? Pregnant or breastfeeding mothers. Consult a doctor. People with ulcer or gout. The acidity may irritate. Those on blood thinners. Turmeric and lemon can thin blood. Diabetics should monitor blood sugar if you are using honey. Always talk to your doctor before adding it to your daily routine, especially if you are on medication. For more benefits, add mint leaf, cooling and digestive, green tea as a base instead of water for extra antioxidants, orange juice instead of lemon for vitamin C boost. You can also make a batch and store in the fridge for up to 2 days. This miracle drink isn't a trend. It is a time-tested natural remedy used by millions worldwide to cleansing their body and boost wellness. If you start today and stay consistent, you will feel the difference. More energy, better digestion, glowing skin, clearer thinking, stronger immunity. Let me know in the comment section, which ingredient do you love the most? Turmeric, ginger, or apple cider vinegar? Indeed, learning never ends. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.